Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discovery Boss. So we're approaching the new and the final leg for now of Highway 2000. This section stretches from right here in Glenmere straight to Manchester. So it's a first drive for me, just a quick video because I'm in the area. So the previous highway finished right here. So this is the new section. And now we're approaching the bridge, which is the widest and longest 4 lanes bridge in Jamaica. So stay tuned. Guys, so we're on the new section, so right from here straight to Williamsfield, but we're not taking that journey today. I'm just gonna show you guys just a little sneak peek until we can do a proper video. The drone is still down, and that's the reason I'm giving you guys just a sneak peek from a driver's standpoint. So this is the exit if you want to go Glenmere Road or into the Mapen town area. Over the left is where all the construction took place from. Straight ahead brings you to Williamsfield, Clarendon Park. Now we know, small work is still ongoing because they opened it so that persons can start using it. Right now it's free, and then January 1st there will be a charge. Alright guys, so what we did was just to pause the video from where the scene would have changed. So now we're exiting Glenmere Road, so we're gonna enter the new highway from Glenmere Road. So just wanted to show you guys from this perspective and from this entrance as well. So the first section of the video had we exiting the highway, and now we're gonna enter the highway from Glenmere Road. So stay tuned. And as usual, remember to like, remember to comment, let me know what you guys think about the video. Remember to share as well so that more persons can see what's going on. And remember, subscribing is the cheapest way to support the channel. Subscribing is free, so ensure you subscribe as well. So it's very overcast as you guys can see, so the video will look a little darker than usual. We're still in the rainy season until hurricane season until November ends. So we have some light showers going on. I can bet it's gonna get harder. So if you continue straight before taking this right, you would have gone to Mineral Lights. Because we want to enter the highway, we come this direction. So this would have been the old road to bring you into Four Pass, into Toll Gate, into Manchester. But now this road is basically empty. on the highway, especially that it's free right now. So this road is new. They widened right here, turn it into 2 lanes, where you'd have the extreme left lane becoming a filter lane onto the highway. And that's the lane that we're gonna take. So there's also a stoplight right here just to manage the flow of traffic. We're gonna take the left, which is Panishtown, Kingston direction. So straight ahead would be the old road to bring you like to Foga Road. So we'll take the filter onto the highway. Alright, so if you go under this bridge, then it would be to enter the highway to go to Mandeville. So we're gonna take the left because we're going into Kingston. So again, not a complete review for you guys because we know that the drone is missing. We know we captured the highway from it started, and now it's finished. We want to do a final video just to show you guys what to expect, just to show you guys how it looks from an aerial standpoint. So once the drone is back up, we'll be able to do that. But I'm in the area and I'm saying why not just show you guys, you know, a glimpse of what's happening. And as I said, there's still minor works happening on the highway in certain sections. And again, let me know what you guys think in terms of the comments. So we're going back over this new bridge. The old bridge is on that side. You guys probably can glimpse it a little bit. That side would be heading to Mineralites. From Mineralites, you know, you're going to places like Palmer's Cross, Sandy Bay. So that's where that traffic is heading to or heading from. And that's where the roundabout was for the highway that would have ended right here. So as usual guys, I really appreciate your support. Really appreciate all that you guys do, and thanks for clicking on this video. Again, it's just a quick glimpse of this section of the highway where it starts. You know, this leg will start from Glenmere to Williamsfield. So stay tuned for the next video, the next review, the next apartment review, road review, commercial construction, residential construction, road construction, you know, whatever it may be. You know, we're showcasing Jamaica in that positive light. So I really appreciate all you guys do, and see you on that next video.